Okay, so let's have a look first at a math module. So as you can expect, this is a module which contains many mathematical functions which are not available straight away in Python, but if you import the math module, which is actually also built in, so you just have to import it and then you can use it, then all of these functions are available to you. So how do you import a package, a module? Uh, well, you simply use a reserved keyword import and then specify the name of the module. If the module is built in with your Python distribution, then that's all. If not, you also have to download it at stuff. You won't be doing this in this course, but in more advanced courses, you will obviously learn how to do it. Um, let's run this cell and let's import the math package. Uh, what happens here right now is that Python is creating a new variable called math, which will contain all of the features contained in this package. There is a way for us to name this variable in another way, in some other way we would like to, using another reserved keyword as. So if we don't want to write math every time, but for instance m, of course nowadays I recommend just using math. It's clear uh, which which package you are using, and name math suggests what you can find there, but sometimes names of the packages are much longer, and people are actually used to using some shorthands for them. So then if you want to, you can change this name. So if you import a package like this, then we will be able to refer to this package by the letter M. Okay, but this is how you name package. This is just some minor stuff. The most important thing is what can we do with these modules. So let's jump right into it. Here you can of course check what type have these variables. You can see that this is some class module. You can see that both these two variables are equal, have the same package inside it. But what can you do with the package? So to access features which are inside the package, you follow the same structure which we have used with lists or dictionaries when we wanted to use some method on it. Basically, you refer to the name of the package, the name of the variable which stores the package, then dot, and then a method which is inside. So, for instance, if you want to use a floor method, which basically gives us the highest integer number below a specific number, then we just write math.floor and inside 1.74, so as a result we get 1. If I run this on this example, I should get 13. So as you can see, you didn't have to define your own floor function. Someone else has defined this function, and it wasn't me. It wasn't even my colleague who was creating this notebook. It was just some person, probably at first creator of Python. Maybe later on probably someone has optimized this function somehow, or maybe not. I don't know. I just know that it works. Many people have used it, and it definitely works. It's safe to use it, and that's the big advantage. I don't have to know what is inside. I can just start use it. I feel safe about using it because many people have tried this, and so on and so on. And that's it. You can have many functions in a package. So here, if I want to have a ceiling of a number 2.0001, so the lowest possible integer above this number, this is free, I get free. If I want to find cosine, sine, tangent, everything I can get using this math module. And as you can see, we have provided a link here where you can find a complete list of things you can find in the math module. And we have also provided some other resources where you can search information about either math package or some other packages in Python. So please go through this. Yeah, you can see that you can also have not only functions but also constants in Python. So for instance, pi number, it's just this. It's like any other number. I can check if it's bigger than 2 or something. Exactly the same with Euler number. Everything is available here. So yeah, you can use it and have fun with it. So yeah, this concludes the example of the math package, and in the next video we will have a look at another video with which you can also have fun with, a random package. Yeah, my colleagues are making fun of me that I'm saying that you can have fun with them, but I really think you can have fun with them at some point. So so yeah, let's jump to the next video and let's talk about a random package. See you there.